Hey guys, Mike Lupo here from Texas Hills. We started the builds early this week because Nate had to do everything in the back. He raised up the front end with the Till Death Cycles dampener rod kit. We're also doing all the rest of the original Garage Moto parts today. They're really cool, they're shiny, they're chrome, looks awesome. Thanks again, Original Garage Moto. Everything from Original Garage Moto is available here at Morse, Harley, Davidson of Austin. Get with the parts guy, they'll be able to hook you up. Nasty Nate Dog is about to tell you all the technical things that are going on with the build, with the clutch cable, the brake extender, and everything else that's going on with the build, and it's about to get started.
Hey, this is Nate from Cowboy Harley of Austin, Texas. Today we're going to be installing the OG Moto risers and top triple tree clamp. This top triple tree is actually pretty nice. It comes with adjustable placements for your risers, so you can either set them forward or have it flipped around to where you have a little bit shorter of a reach if you're running really tall bars. We also have this top clamp that has a threaded portion here for the gauge relocation that we'll be doing as well. We got the gauge pod from OG Moto that's going to be going on there. We're also going to be getting a new stem bolt. It's a 12-point ARP, and that's going to be going in here. I think it's a much cleaner look. The stock one is an Allen head. The ARP is much nicer. We have the clutch cable extension and some wire harness extensions for the taller bars.
Okay, Nate's gone ahead and run the wires internally in the bars. We're using a Harley extension kit to extend the wires because of the height of the risers. He's also taken apart the instrument cluster and put an extension harness in it as well. So the instrument went inside a chrome bracket now, and he's assembling all that.
Go ahead and run this new cable. It actually has a slightly different adjuster than the stock. Instead of having a plastic clip, this is actually kind of similar to the old style adjustment with the metal adjuster.
Everything that we had for today. So today Nate did the OG upper triple tree. We did the OG pullback risers, the handlebar clamp, the instrument cluster kit. We did a pair of Sly Fox handlebars. We've got Avon grips.
We did the clutch cable and brake line extensions as well.
And yesterday we put a 2-inch extension inside the cartridges back in the back, so we had to disassemble the forks. So that raised the front end. This was Nate, I'm Brian. We're coming to you from Morse's Cowboy Harley Davidson of Austin. This was installment 3 of the Texas Hills build. Have a good one, guys.
Fucking cool, 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 cool. So this is the last installation of the Original Garage Motos parts. Thanks Rob and the whole team over there in Canada for sending us all these cool parts and chrome, making the bike look real shiny and nice. I'm very excited to get out and rip this thing. The whole handlebar setup changed the bike completely, made it look like something I would actually want to ride instead of all the stock stuff. We also did the Till Death Cycles front end kit. Thanks to Steve for sending me that kit. He's at Till Death Cycles on Instagram. Everything's coming along. The next episode is going to be Trass, which is going to be a polished exhaust and an air cleaner. Thanks again to Jess, Billy, Mark, Nate, Brian, Camera Boy for waking up early and doing all this stuff with me. Everything's been real fun. It's awesome seeing the bike come along and start being the bike I actually want it to be. Thanks for checking everything out.